Hey everybody, Lex DeVille back for another lesson in advanced Upwork proposal writing. In this one we're going to be talking about how to write the first paragraph of your proposal. So the first sentence, we've got that out of the way. It's pretty easy, right? You're using a you focus, you're starting with the word you, you're repeating back exactly what they said they needed. That's going to have their attention and interest all on you. Now, moving into the rest of the paragraph, first of all, how long should it be? Second of all, what should you say? Well, the length, in my opinion, usually I go 2 to 3 sentences. So I will just say that to start off with. 2 to 3 sentences for your initial paragraph. And what are you going to say? All you're going to do is repeat back more stuff that they said in the job post. So the first sentence you said, you need a direct response copywriter to help you with your email funnels. The next sentence, you might say, you need someone who can start immediately and who can deliver high quality work on a deadline. Maybe that's something else they said, right? So they said, I'm looking for a direct response copywriter to write email funnels, and I need someone who can start immediately and produce high quality writing on a deadline. You're just repeating it back to them. You can do this with 2 sentences. You can do it with 3 sentences. You need somebody who can use spell check and check for plagiarism on their own in a timely manner. Or you need somebody who has a lot of experience working with high profile clients. That's it. So it's just you focus. The more you that you put into the first paragraph, the better it's going to come across. You, meaning you focus on the client, not yourself. So that is you focus. You need a web designer to create a powerful website for your high heel business. You need somebody who can start right now and finish the project within 1 month. You need someone who can give you guidance about what designs are going to work best in order to get the most conversions. There you go. There's 3 sentences right there. And it's all about them. It's all about what they need. It's all pulled right from their job post. It's that simple. Nobody gets this. I don't know why so many people miss it. But if you just repeat back what they say from their job post, you're going to have their attention. You're showing them that you can give them exactly what they want. So that's really all I do. That's like the core of my training. The core of my proposals is just a you focus and repeating back to them in the first paragraph what they want to hear, because it's what they wrote in their job post. So the second paragraph, it's a little bit different, and we're going to talk about that here in just a second. But for now, you know that first paragraph, you focus, 2 to 3 sentences, keep it short, sweet, repeat back to them what they want to hear because it's what they said in the job post. And if you need some examples, there's a resource down below. I uploaded a PDF for you, so there's some examples of how to do this in there. Make sure you check that out. And that's all I've got for this lesson. Next lesson, second paragraph. See you there.